Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be taking a look at SuperTuxKart, one of the soccer games, or maybe it'll be the ice hockey game. So first off we'll choose a kart, so I want something lightweight, so it'll be fast accelerating, so that'll be Sarah the Racer or Kiki, the mascot of Creta or Open Game Arena. Well, Open Game Arena it is. So soccer game. Push the ball to opposite cage to score goals. And we'll go for a time limit, let's take 3 minutes. We'll continue. So I'll start with the soccer field first off. 7 karts, yeah, why not? So there's not much in the way of the AI for this game. There's a bit of a laugh though, I have to say. Yeah, they're not intelligent. Now one of my comments about the game before when I was playing it during the reviews, I found it difficult to find where the ball was sometimes. I think it's just a case of getting used to it, and yeah, kind of it is really. When you saw it slightly off screen there, it was difficult to actually find. Yeah. Come on. Okay, just trying to mess around and get into position so that I can get the ball into the cage or the net. Yes, come on. Oh, you... Yes! Oh, I was about to say, you're kidding me, I thought I missed that, but no, I think I did actually get it. So if I might be able to get an item, well, oh, let's just sit back. Okay, we've got another goal, that was very easy. I was going to say, if you can get one of these items, the bowling ball, fire that into the ball, it does make it go quite fast. You can hit the ball around, it doesn't actually have to be you hitting the ball. In terms of actual controls of it, no, it's just as if you pointing the racer at the ball and make it move. Nothing particularly special about it at all. And the karts aren't necessarily the greatest of things to control. Oh, I mean, they're fun on the race game, of course, but football game, yeah. It's not necessarily a criticism to be levelled at the developers, really, to say that it's a dodgy game or anything, or bad controls. No, it's... Oh, okay, I had to step back to not get an own goal. Yeah, it's not a criticism against them, it's just... You're trying to play a football game with what amounts to a go-kart. It's because it's not the best of things, is it? Okay, that must have been a red team's bowling ball. So you don't hit your own players in this. So yeah, good. Got another goal. Okay, that one was a bit easy as well. I'm making it look too easy, aren't I? Well, at least the blue team have scored a goal. Okay, that was just laughable, wasn't it? Yeah, I have to say I've been playing SuperTuxKart for a while now, and the advancements in the game have been quite interesting. I think I must have pressed the wrong button there. My bad. I pressed the rescue button instead of the fire button. Oops. Oh no, I can't even hit the ball apparently with the bowling ball. Yeah, so I'm playing this as a snap. Seems to run alright my system. That better not have been me scored. Yeah, it seems to run alright my system. I don't necessarily notice too much of an issue with the graphics. I think there was a bit of an issue with the models looking a bit rough around the edges on the video, but I believe that's more a point with the video really. I've had to record it directly off the screen rather than the graphics card buffer, which would be my preferred option really. Okay, I got 2 of the goals, Wilbur got 3. Yes, I don't know if it's a thing with snaps. I haven't managed to try out enough games yet to know if it is an issue with Ubuntu now or try and record off snaps, but yeah, certainly I couldn't record off the graphics card, which is a bit annoying. Right, anyway, let's have a look at the ice hockey arena. Very nice and decorative, I have to say. Looks good. Yes, finally I managed to hit the ball with the bowling ball, or the puck I should say. Too bad I've lost sight of it now. Here we go. Marvellous bit of driving there, I do have to say. Complimenting myself. Come on. Oh, come on. Just missed it. Oh, fine, I'll do everything, shall I, computer? Oh, yeah. Including missed the bloody puck, but Sim's not the only one who missed it. I know it's there. Oh, here we are. Right, let's try again. Yes, okay. Goal. But so I'm not so sure about the music on this one, but it's off on the race tracks. I guess right. What am I complaining about too much, really? It's winter type music. It's a winter stage. The physics are a bit different with the puck compared to football. The football does bounce around a lot more. The puck stays a lot firmer to the ice. I guess that's what ice hockey would be more like. I've never really watched it, never really got into it. We don't have much in the way of ice hockey in the UK. 2 AI carts just driving off the edge. Come on, I just couldn't line up in time, could I? Thank you, AI. Let's just do a massive skid, shall we? Let's do something fun. We'll make the engine go bright red. Still seems to carry on skidding though. Donut. Looks like that's my punishment for doing a donut for a while. Wait, where are we? I think the ball is, or the puck is. Where is it? I don't even know, I lost track of it there. Okay, I was just messing around at that point. Close. But close is not a goal, is it? No. Yeah, I missed that. My bad. Looks like I'm going to miss it again, doesn't it? And again. We got 4-0, so what am I worrying about too much? It would be nice to get one more goal. Yeah, I couldn't turn tight enough. The way of turning tight is a handbrake turn, but yeah. That makes it a bit tighter. Or slam on the brakes and try and make the turn again. Yeah, that's how you can turn tight in this game. Yeah, that's meant to be a tight turn there. Alternatively, I could just do that. Reverse round, move. Right, just trying to swat up. Just try and swat him with a fly swat. Failed. Alright, 5-0. So that was a look at the SuperTuxKart soccer games. Thanks for watching. See you later.